Hi. Explore over 3,000 modular construction factories in Guangdong, followed by on-site visits to the factories. Over 3,000 modular building factories in Guangdong. We've screened them, mapped their locations, and then visited them in person. Filter criteria. 1. Exclude Shenzhen. Shenzhen is a highly urbanized area with high factory rental costs. Most factories in Shenzhen are small scale, and the industry poses environmental challenges. At the same time, we have ruled out other regions such as Huizhou and Qingyuan due to their remote locations, the lack of a foreign trade focus among local factories, high transportation costs, low concentration of factories, and mismatched supporting industries. 2. Exclude a large number of factories based on the following criteria: small-scale operations, high factory rent, lack of supporting industries, low likelihood of engaging in foreign trade, distance from major foreign trade hubs, and products not focused on export. 3. Consider whether the factory is export-oriented, ISO certified, holds patents, its size, and its reputation. Search results. After comprehensive screening and comparing various regions in Guangdong, we have determined that the core manufacturing hub is Foshan and its surrounding areas. Another advantage that the Foshan region has over other parts of China is its concentration of industries related to building materials, furniture, and bathroom fixtures, making it ideal for one-time bulk purchasing. Next, the factories we have screened will be displayed based on their geographic coordinates. This shows the distribution of factories based on map coordinates. Based on the distribution of factories shown on the map, the core industrial area is Foshan. This is the Jiangmen area near Foshan. This is the Zhaoqing area near Foshan. This is the urbanized Shenzhen area. This is Huizhou, a remote area. This is the remote Yunfu region. This is the remote Qingyuan region. This is the Dongguan area, home to many small factories. This is the urbanized Guangzhou area. Let's take a look at this factory. This demonstrates the scale of the modular building factory. Let's take a look at this factory. This demonstrates the scale of the modular building factory. Let's take a look at this factory. This demonstrates the scale of the modular building factory. Next, we'll visit the factory in person. A visit to a modular home manufacturing plant. Hi. Modular space capsule homes. Restroom. Rooms and balconies. Bathroom. Square modular homes. Window. Manufacturing materials. Foldable modular housing. Manufacturing facility. Manufacturing facility. Types of modular homes, with customization options available. Case study.